That's funny. Okay, which one is this? This is Empire Escalation.
I don't remember them anymore. Oh, but that's a big scout.
Oh, cream!
I'm sorry?
I don't know.
Okay.
Merchant,
did you hear that?
Oh no. You're playing Inji, right? Oh, you are. Don't do it. You're gonna get kicked.
Don't, okay? We're not in a 5 or 6 gamer
Here's
lobby.
the thing, if Bertram plays heavy, I will do it. I still remember the one time I killed half the team by doing it.
He did. He killed like
No,
half the team and all
I
of the
killed
important players. He killed
medic?
the medic, the heavy, and like who else?
Scout.
Oh yeah,
Scout.
the scout. So arguably the most important people on the team.
Yeah, and then after that moment, Elias, can you come get the money up here, bro? No, but like after that very moment, whenever there's a
let me
sentry,
jump down.
the heavy unrevved and stared at it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I got
He
this
just
money up
completely
here, Elias.
stopped in his tracks.
Okay. Yeah, cause
The point?
Yeah, I see. We're good.
I'm picking up money.
Oh, there goes my sentry.
Oh, there goes me.
Oh, there goes me! Dude, that's the thing, when high tier... Oh, I forgot about the bomb!
The bomb? Oh no! I got it.
What?
Oh no! Oh! We're good. I whipped him with my Joe Biden.
I gotta be quiet. It's very late. It's 2 AM.
Oh right.
Yeah, you're meaty.
You look so scary with that mask.
Oh, the scariest mask ever.
Oh god.
It says gaming, runs away as he sees it about to detonate. Okay, this seems to be alright. Wanna go use green juice?
I have 600 HP. I can do this.
What is the heavy
Losing all my health.
I thought you were about to die immediately right there.
I was losing health rapidly though.
I saw. Oh my god!
I had to once! I had to at least
Dead,
once!
bro! He's dead and you killed him!
Oh, yes.
I'll do that.
Bertram, don't go through the teleporter, okay? I'm doing the thing.
God damn it!
I didn't know you were gonna do it again when I wanted.
Did you troll the cup F total of 4 people?
I trolled Bertram, I trolled you, I trolled the demo, now I trolled the heavy. I just need to troll the medic and I trolled the whole server.
Oh right, this way with the huntsman.
Yeah, the freaky little guys. There's 3 of them that spawn,
Right.
I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, because then the rest are with the big bulger boys.
Yep.
Hey Bertram, you wanna flip?
Ah!
Dumbass. Ilias, you're next.
Oh no! Oh no!
We're so fucking loud and annoying.
Say that.
I gotta remember that you're recording this.
Oh! Wait, were you recording this, Bertram?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck!
Don't say the N-word, my
Okay.
No! Whoa, little man.
5?
Because I looked at the prices and I saw that and I thought like, oh,
Bertram, I hear the church bells are ringing in my ears.
Shut up, dude. You better get. No!
oh spies, watch out!
Oh.
Why did you laugh? Oh no! Oh no!
I just let that play out.
God.
Dude, I saw the sentry buster. I was like, okay, watch out, sentry buster. I look to the crowd. I see the sentry next to the entire fucking crowd.
They dropped that right before it.
$4.
I just love how he sounded so mad, like he was actually about to kick me. And I say that, and then the child inside of him. Damn it!
No, I want to get.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh.
I had showed everybody in the server at least once. Get fucked!
Oh, engineer!
Oh! No! I forgot him!
What's good? Nope.
Hey.
How's
We're
the
doing
life?
MDM.
How
And
you
I
doing?
trolled everyone in the server by killing them from Sentry Buster or Teleporter. It was amazing.
So wait, what tour are you doing?
Okay,
Two
I'm doing
cities.
yeah,
Of course you guys are doing two shitties, you guys suck. So,
By the way, I just want to make it
You're-
clear, I am recording, do not say anything bad.
I already said
wouldn't
that.
it be poggers if
Okay, you know what? That's fine. I think.
you should have never told me you were recording this, and now I'm gonna say things that are worse.
It's
Oh no,
I
Sentry
can't
Buster!
record this
Time to
So
troll!
wait, how long have you been recording for? Like, at what point is this gonna be in the video? Like, what time
This is
stamp?
18.
Wave 3. Halfway
Uh,
through wave 3.
Okay, anyway, Nate, give me something controversial to say.
You get, well, I can just.
I want to get my friend's video
Tiananmen
demonetized.
Square!
Yeah, Tiananmen Square. What happened on June 4th, 1989?
Oh my
1989.
Nothing, dude. Nothing at all.
We're gonna like divide you, man. We're gonna divide you like. Look at that. That's like, I don't know. The cheese just looks.
That guy just fucking dropped, dude.
I saw the heavy.
Oh my god! Ah! Sweet heavens! He's angry at me! Ah! Okay, we're good.
I'm
Dude, look at
returning to
this.
providing cuts
Look
to
at
this shit.
this.
Oh.
I'm an
X2, so they drunk. Fuck. They drove.
Wait, they really drink you to death?
I can't fucking do this.
Talk about.
Dude, fuck you, man.
Hey, Jerome, I'll see you around.
Oh,
You
okay,
leaving
yeah, we
now?
lost that.
Oh my god, I found a game theory tweet from fucking 2013.
Still say that the casting in.
This is so strange. Bertram, can you flash this? Here, Bertram, I'm
Hey,
gonna send
Bertram?
it to you. Can you flash this image up on screen?
Make something better or worse.
There you go. Can you put it on screen? I found it on my Twitter.
No,
timeline.
didn't you try run for president?
Oh,
last?
what the what? So much fail.
You,
It's from
did you not see
2013.
the spray?
Oh, I love Matt.
Yeah, like
This
like
is
that
not good.
One against Eddie.
Yippee-ki-yay!
Yeah. Well, again, that's how Wilson won. Eddie Roosevelt literally split the Republican Party in two with Taft and.
Say that.
Holy
I don't know.
I'm talking
shit.
That's
I
Oh my god.
was like 472
Yeah.
tours.
That's a lot
Actually, let
of
me
tours,
check.
dude.
Hey Nate, am I able to like bring the
I
pizza
forget how to
person
play
card?
medic.
You know, look at his profile real. He's from Great Britain.
I can do that, man.
I don't
He's not
remember
listening.
how to play medic, so.
Yeah, no, that works.
Just go Chris Krieg, get the shield,
Let's
and like
treat
that's
the
it.
shield. Yeah.
And that Uber the demo.
Oh, okay. Yeah, no, that.
Uber
that,
the
no.
demo when possible.
Also, do you want me to read what's on his description? Oh, general tips for MDM, and the
Yeah,
first thing is just idiots will not pick other idiots.
Yeah.
What a fucking cracker.
And then I first thought they were gonna.
Why is my thing at 200, guys?
Wait, what?
Guys,
No, did I
my ping?
Yeah, I've seen your ping.
Yeah, it's going
I
down.
really hope this Mike. Where even is Mike? Oh,
He left.
Are you kidding me?
Oh, he's joining back.
Oh.
A lot of the orders have like card descriptions. Because then.
I'll help you as much as I can.
What was
John,
that?
Green.
Okay, he's just a troll, I think. Yeah, he had 1,400 tours.
No, ooh, maybe here's what I can do. I don't know. I am crazy.
Why are you guys Ubered? Uber canteen?
My head
Yeah,
is these
Uber
little
canteen.
retards.
Okay.
One's fat,
Oh, I was
one's
trying to
German,
get
one's
you,
in
Malcolm.
Texas.
Both were just disguised as
Oh,
me.
my ping is reaching the one. Oh, guys, my ping.
You'll be fine. Bastard! Except
Alias,
Holy Jesus, bro.
Alias, that shit is raw.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Stop! You're killing him! I can't tell you how many times I got a heart attack when I saw so many of those boss meters appear.
Oh, for the first time?
Yeah.
I have a strange
Because I thought they
canteen,
were,
so I want to
they were
use
the
it.
bosses that we fought earlier. I was like, oh no.
Yeah. They act the same, they just have not as much health.
Yeah.
Oh, I have 300 ping again. I don't know why my ping keeps doing this to me. I
Because
think
you
it's
keep
because I have
killing us.
Cookie Clicker. I think it's because Cookie Clicker's still open.
You have cookie clicker on? Oh no.
Yeah, I do. Hold on, how
Okay.
long has it been open for? Past session. 11,500.
I fucking knew that was gonna happen!
I was tabbed out, I hope you know. Dude, I have had this session going for a, 11,550 hours.
Have you even turned off your PC?
No.
Like,
What the
actually?
f- Ah, glue eater.
Ooh.
Oh? So you did. Oh.
Eureka effect.
You got a banana!
Oh!
The sniper immediately left.
No.
He got nothing nice. What did you get, Bertram?
No.
Let's see if you.
Man Melter. Oh, map assassin!
Oh,